Have you ever wondered why some men effortlessly capture a woman's attention? Without saying much, without chasing, without trying too hard. It's not luck, it's psychology, blended with timeless Stoic wisdom. These men understand something deeper about human nature, how emotion, silence, and confidence can create magnetic attraction. Women don't fall for words, they fall for energy, composure, and mystery. In this video, you'll discover 9 powerful psychological tricks that women simply can't resist, even if they try. Each one reveals how calm, power, and self-control make you unforgettable. Number 1. The power of emotional control. A man who cannot control his emotions loses control of everything, especially attraction. Women are naturally drawn to emotional stability because it signals strength and safety. When you remain calm in chaos, confident under pressure, and composed when others lose their cool, you become magnetic. It's not about being emotionless, it's about mastering your response. Stoic men don't react impulsively, they respond with purpose. Imagine she's upset or testing you. Instead of arguing, you breathe, listen, and stay grounded. That silence, that self-command, it drives her wild. Why? Because emotional self-control is rare. It tells her you're not desperate for validation. You're solid like a mountain amid a storm. Every woman instinctively respects that. Remember, your calmness is your charisma. When you learn to rule your inner world, the outer world bends in your favor. Number 2. The mystery of strategic silence. Silence is a language, one that speaks louder than words ever could. Most men talk too much, explaining, oversharing, and revealing their thoughts too easily. But women are drawn to the ones who say less and mean more. When you use strategic silence, you trigger curiosity. She begins to wonder what you're thinking, what you're hiding, and why you're not seeking her attention. This mystery becomes irresistible. Stoic philosophy teaches us to speak only when necessary, because wisdom doesn't need to shout. Next time she expects an emotional reaction, stay silent, smile slightly, and let your energy speak. That unspoken confidence tells her, I don't need your approval to feel valuable. And ironically, that's when she becomes obsessed, because silence forces her imagination to fill in the blanks. Be the man who doesn't chase with words, attract with presence. Number 3. The confidence of detachment. True confidence is not arrogance, it's detachment. It's the ability to want someone without needing them. Women can sense the difference instantly. When your happiness doesn't depend on her response, she feels your power. Detachment doesn't mean indifference, it means inner peace. You enjoy her company, but you're not destroyed if she leaves. This balance of care without dependence is hypnotic. Stoic men know that attachment creates suffering, while independence creates freedom. Picture yourself as a river, flowing calmly, never stopping for anyone who refuses to flow with you. She'll feel that energy. The moment she realizes she can't control your emotions or your focus, she'll crave your validation even more. That's the paradox. When you stop trying to hold her, she holds on tighter. Number 4. The aura of purpose. A man with purpose is unstoppable and irresistible. Women are naturally attracted to those who chase meaning, not attention. When you're devoted to something greater, your growth, your craft, your mission, she senses it. It's not about what you say, it's about how you move through the world. Your eyes show direction, your voice carries conviction, and your actions radiate certainty. This makes her feel like she's standing next to a man who knows his path. The Stoics believed that purpose gives life order, and without it, you're just drifting. When your time, energy, and focus serve your mission, women don't become your mission. They become a complement to it. That sense of drive, that quiet dominance, it awakens something ancient in her. Because deep down, every woman respects a man who stands for something greater than himself. Number 5. The subtle power of eye contact. Eyes can seduce faster than words. When you hold her gaze, not aggressively but calmly, you tell her everything she needs to know without saying a thing. Stoic eye contact is controlled and grounded. It reflects your self-assurance. Women instinctively read emotions through eyes, and when yours stay steady, she feels your strength. Most men break eye contact because they're uncomfortable being truly seen, but the man who doesn't flinch commands attention. Look into her eyes and let the silence do the talking. This steady gaze says, "I see you, but I'm not overwhelmed by you." It's not a game, it's mastery of presence. When done with calm confidence, it creates intimacy and tension simultaneously. That's how you separate yourself from the crowd, through presence, not performance. Number 6, the magnetism of self-respect. A woman can only respect a man who respects himself. You teach people how to treat you by what you tolerate. When you have strong boundaries, when you say no without fear, you send a signal. You value your peace. Self-respect is deeply attractive because it's rooted in self-worth. The Stoics taught that no one can degrade you without your consent. So stop over-giving, stop explaining, and stop accepting disrespect in the name of love. The moment you prioritize your dignity, you radiate strength. She'll test your boundaries, consciously or not, to see if you mean what you say. Pass those tests with quiet firmness. You'll notice the shift. Suddenly she'll look at you with admiration, not pity. Because women don't fall for men they can control. They fall for men they can look up to. Number 7, the calmness during chaos. When emotions rise, the Stoic man stays still. He doesn't mirror anger with anger or drama with drama. His calmness becomes his weapon. Women subconsciously test men to see how they handle emotional storms. If you lose control, they lose attraction. But if you stay grounded, if your tone remains soft, your breathing steady, you become the eye of the storm. This calmness doesn't just attract, it builds trust. She'll think, if he can stay composed in chaos, he can handle me. That's powerful. Remember, your emotional state sets the tone of every interaction. The more peaceful your inner world, the more control you have over the outer one. Calmness isn't weakness. It's the highest form of power. Number 8, the power of presence. Modern men are distracted, always on their phones, minds elsewhere. But women crave presence. When you truly listen, when you make her feel like the only person in the room, she melts. Presence is more than attention. It's spiritual connection. Stoics practiced mindfulness long before the term existed. They believed that the present moment is where all power lies. When you're with her, be with her. Notice her tone, her eyes, her energy. Put your phone away. Let her feel seen, heard, and safe. Most men fail here because they confuse hearing with listening. But presence is rare, and rare is irresistible. The man who can give full attention in a distracted world is already extraordinary. That's how you build emotional depth, and emotional depth builds obsession. Number 9, the quiet confidence of self-mastery. The ultimate psychological trick isn't manipulation, it's mastery. A man who knows himself, controls his impulses, and acts with intention becomes unforgettable. Self-mastery means you don't chase pleasure, you create peace. You don't react, you choose. And this quiet confidence radiates through everything you do. Women can sense it immediately. It's in your walk, your tone, your discipline. You become unshakable because your validation comes from within, not from others. The Stoics called this inner fortress. When you live by principles instead of emotions, you attract respect, not attention. The truth is, the most irresistible men are the ones who don't need to be. They simply are. Grounded, calm, and complete. Conclusion. In a world full of noise and desperation, be the man of silence and purpose. Each of these 9 psychological tricks isn't about control, it's about transformation. When you embody composure, confidence, and clarity, women can feel it before you even speak. Remember, you attract not what you chase, but what you become. Master yourself, and the world, women included, will naturally follow your lead. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment below with your favorite insight. Stay disciplined, stay grounded, and as the Stoics would say, conquer yourself first.